Hello guys, this is the Princess of Hope, the great Princess of Hope, positioned on the side of Makaran Coastal Highway, and this is the ancient statue of time which has endured the whips and seconds of time to come to this place. Fortunately, the archaeological department of Pakistan has secured this place from the atrocities of outside world, and the place surrounding the Princess of Hope looks like that initially an architecture was about to build up, but due to some architectural faults or some certain consequences, they have forfeit to build up this place as I don't know what they were building initial times, or this is the one can say this can be a natural phenomena, a natural happening from the consequences and circumstances of nature. You can look at this place. I have basically little knowledge about this place, but making assumptions on the basis of the visible evidences. Thank you.